Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for a cat. First, ensure your feline friend always has fresh water and a balanced diet tailored to their age and activity level. A clean litter box is essential for their hygiene and comfort, so scoop it daily. Provide a cozy, safe spot for them to rest and feel secure, and remember regular vet visits are key for long-term health. Proper nutrition is vital for your cat's well-being. Select a high-quality cat food that matches their life stage, whether they are a kitten, adult, or senior. Instead of leaving food out all day, offer 2 to 3 small meals at consistent times. Always ensure they have access to fresh, clean water. Remember, some human foods can be harmful, so stick to cat-specific treats. Regular grooming helps keep your cat healthy and happy. Brush their fur several times a week to reduce shedding and prevent matting. Trim their claws every 2 to 4 weeks to maintain paw health and protect your furniture. Gently clean their ears with a vet-approved solution if needed. Always observe your cat for any changes in behavior, appetite, or litter box habits, which could signal a health issue. Cats need mental and physical stimulation to thrive. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to interactive play with toys like feather wands or laser pointers. Provide sturdy scratching posts to satisfy their natural urge to scratch, saving your furniture. Offer vertical spaces, such as cat trees or shelves, for climbing and observing their surroundings. Finally, ensure they have a quiet, secure spot where they can retreat and rest undisturbed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.